Valentine's Candy Surprise Alert. It's the perfect treat combo you never knew you needed. You know when you need that perfect mix of sweet, sour, and fun for any occasion? Or just want to relive those childhood candy memories? I've been there too, hunting for that ultimate variety pack that ticks all the boxes. Enter the Bazooka Candy Brands Candy Variety Pack, my new obsession. It's like a treasure chest of lollipop deliciousness with all-time favorites like Ring Pop, Push Pop, Baby Bottle Pop, and Juicy Drop Pop. First things first, the flavor variety is unmatched. We're talking sweet, tangy, and everything in between. And honestly, each one stands out. You'll never face flavor boredom again. Opening this box is like unwrapping a mini party. Perfect for sharing with friends or having a solo candy binge. And it's not just about the taste. Each type brings its own fun factor. Think of the nostalgia of a Ring Pop or the creative mess of a Juicy Drop. If you're looking to spice up your treat game or need a cool gift idea, seriously, this is it. Trust me, you'll want this sweet magic in your life. Hit the link in my bio to snag your own Valentine's Candy Variety Pack and let the candy fiesta begin.